Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ironclad for AI contract review automation, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Ironclad website. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign up or register button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a form where you'll need to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a secure password for your account. Make sure the password meets the security requirements stated on the page. Now, confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, check for any additional fields asking for your name or company details. Fill in those details accurately to ensure your account is properly set up. After completing the form, look for and select the option to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've checked that box, proceed to click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox shortly after. Navigate to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Ironclad. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Ironclad platform to complete your registration. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you may be prompted to enter additional information about your company or team. Fill out any required fields on this page to customize your account settings. Once you've entered all necessary information, save your changes. Now, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Find the section related to AI contract review automation in the platform. Follow any on-screen instructions to set up the AI contract review feature. If prompted, upload a sample contract for the AI to process. Adjust any customization settings according to your preferences. After setup is complete, review your configurations to ensure everything is correct. When you are satisfied, start the AI contract review automation process. Monitor the system for any feedback or suggestions during your first use. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.